easily in your computer. Just you need to install only two software. First Xamp server and second WordPress. So for Xamp, you need to open the Google. Just search here Xamp. Now you need to click on this first link. Just see inside here Xamp for Windows. This is the window, and you need to download the always latest version. So just see 8.0.12 is the latest version of this PHP file. So just you need to download this one, download 64-bit. You need to click here and it will be downloaded. If you are using Linux, then you need to download here also latest version, and if you are using the Apple OS, then you need to download also latest version from this side. Okay. So every all software is available inside this one for Windows and Linux and OS. Okay. So basically after downloading this one, you need to install this software, and after installing this one, then you can download the WordPress file. So actually I have already downloaded this Xamp. Just I want to show you. Just see, I will search here Xamp. So now you can see this one Xamp is downloading, already downloaded in my computer, so it's displaying here. Okay. Now I am going to show you that how you can download WordPress files. So just you need to open the Google and search here wordpress.org. And just click on this one, download wordpress.org. Okay, so just scroll down, you can see this one, and you need to click on that links for downloading your WordPress file. Just see, download and install. So you need to just click here and then this file will be downloaded. Just see, I am clicking and you can see download WordPress 5.8.1. This is the latest version of the WordPress. When you will download, then it will be downloaded in the zip file. So firstly I will click on that. Don't worry, just close this one. Okay, so now my file is downloaded. Just I am going to show you inside this one download section. So just see, this one is the WordPress 5.8.1. This file is downloaded already. So now I am going to set up this one in my computer. So just see what you need to do. Firstly, I will copy this file. Just I will copy this one. And now go back inside your C drive. Just open C drive. And you can see here is the Xamp, because I have already downloaded this Xamp, then this file is automatically created. So when you will download Xamp and then installing will be completed in your computer, then this file will be automatically created. Okay. So basically I need to open this one file Xamp and just click on htdocs, this one htdocs, and you need to create here one new folder. Just I am going to create here one new folder. You can keep any name of this folder. So suppose that I am just writing here WP site. WP sites. Okay. So I just created this folder. Now I need to open the Xamp firstly. So just I am going to open this Xamp. Just see, this Xamp is available here. So now I need to on this Apache and MySQL. So I will click on start in both, and this both will be green. Then I will minimize this one. Okay, alright, so it's green. Now I minimize this one. I will go back again inside my folder, and just I will open this folder which I will created, WP sites, and I will paste here the copy file. So just see, this zip file is pasted here. Now you need to right click inside this one and click on extract here. So now you can see this file is extracted. Now I will double click inside this folder and you can see these all WordPress files is displaying here. So I will select these all and I will cut from here. Don't copy, just cut. So I will click on cut and again go back from this folder. Okay, and now just I will paste inside this one. Alright, so now you can see these all files is appeared here. Okay, but before this one I need to delete this both file, WordPress 5.8.1, this zip file and this main file folder. So I will delete this over. Okay, alright, so it's deleted. Now you can see these all WordPress files is appeared inside my main folder, that is the WP sites. You can see this one. Okay, so when I will click inside the WP sites folder, then I can see my all WordPress files. Okay, so just remember this WP sites is it will be also my database name. So I will open the Google and inside here I will search localhost and phpMyAdmin, localhost/phpMyAdmin. It will work when your Xamp will be on. If your Xamp will not start, then it will not open. So I already started, this is Xamp, so it will be open. So now you can see this Xamp server is open and now I will click on this database. Just I need to create one database. This database name should be same as your folder name. So I will click inside my folder. I will go back and just select this one and copy this name. And again go back inside my Xamp and just paste here. Just hold on. So just see, I am going here and paste WP sites. Now I will click on create. Always remember that this database name should be as same name of your folder name where you already pasted your all WordPress files. Okay, so after you can see this WP sites is already created. Okay, so now this database name created. Now just open the new tab and just search here localhost / and your same folder name or database name, that is the both are the same. So you need to search here WP sites / wp-login.php. So just see, you need to search this one localhost / WP sites / wp-login.php. After writing this one inside the URL section, just press the enter. Now just see this WordPress is opening. So basically you need to firstly just configure this one of WordPress all files. So just see, firstly you need to select your language, which language you are using. So I am selecting the United States English. Now I will need to click on continue. Now just see, here is displaying that I need to create the database name, username, password and database host. So for this creating these all everything, I need to click on let's go button and just see inside your database name. So just delete this one and enter your database name which you already created. That's WP sites I already created. So I will paste here WP sites and username should be the root. So just write here root and password should be blank, nothing, it will be here. So just keep it blank and now click on submit. Now see inside this here its button is displaying run the installation. So I will click inside this button and just see inside here you need to write the site title. Just don't worry, you can change the site title after installing this WordPress, and when you will try to design your websites, then you can manage it, then you can customize the site title name inside the customize section. So just write here something like WordPress testing. So just I enter here WordPress testing, and just you need to write your username. This username will be like work for your admin panel, like when you will log in the your site name, the WP sites, WP dot dash login dot php, then you need to just log in as a admin. So this one is the username, and you need to create your password. Suppose that I am creating here admin 123456. This is the very weak, so I need to click on this checkbox that I confirm use of this weak password. Okay, so admin 123456 is my password, and this one is the admin for localhost only. Okay, now I need to click on install WordPress. Okay, so just you need to enter the email address also. So I will enter here my email address. Okay, and now after this one, just I will click on install WordPress again. So you can see this is the success message. My WordPress is installed successfully. I will click on login again, and just see inside the URL section. Firstly, this one is displaying. You need to search when you want to open this file, then always try to search this one localhost / your folder name, that is the I already created WP site, so this one, and then you need to search there wp-login.php. Then this the admin panel will be appeared here, so you need to log in. Just I am going to log in here, admin, and I will enter your password. Now I will click on login. So just see, you can see this my WordPress site is opening, and now I will click. I can show you my sites that what is the web page is displaying right now. So just see, this one is the WordPress testing, which I already created WordPress title for my site name, and now you can design this here any types of sites in from this dashboard section. You can install any types of themes, any types of plugins according to your choice, and you can do here lots of practice inside this one. Okay, so I hope you understand that how you can install the WordPress locally in your computer, and you can manage it's very easily inside your computer. You can do a lots of practice, and you can learn many things inside the WordPress. Okay, so I hope guys you enjoy this video, and please like and share and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any doubts, then you just try to write inside the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible. And if you have any questions, then you can also visit on my portfolio www.navinpandey.in, and you can check there all details about me. Okay, and if you want to reserve the private session for your individual session, you want to learn lots of things inside the WordPress, then you can book the session from my portfolio section. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy. So just bye bye, take care, and see you soon in next session. Bye bye.